Ever feel like editing takes way longer than it should? What if you could cut that time down by 10 times using AI? With Wondershare Filmora 15, AI tools aren't just flashy, they actually help you edit faster. Let's go through the most effective ones that can speed up your entire workflow. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then, install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. AI Video Generator. First, AI Video Generator, powered by Seedance 2.0. Instead of starting from scratch, you can describe a scene and instantly generate clips with multiple camera angles. This is perfect for brainstorming, creating rough cuts, or even building short-form content fast. Topaz AI Video Enhancer. Tools like Topaz Video AI can dramatically improve your footage. You can upscale resolution, sharpen details, and reduce noise. Combining this with Filmora gives you both speed and better-looking results. Click on Enhance, and you will get a crisp and clear video on your timeline within a few seconds. AI Relight. Bad lighting? AI Relight can fix that. You can adjust lighting direction, intensity, and overall mood even after shooting, as we are going to use it on our AI-generated video and adjust the lighting and make the whole scene more cinematic. AI Effects. Instead of layering multiple adjustments, you can apply ready-made effects that instantly change the look of your video. They're quick, impactful, and perfect for adding visual interest without spending too much time. Split the clip and take a snapshot. Now place the snapshot and then drag an AI effect of your choice on the snapshot, and within a few seconds, you will get an amazing video. AI Transitions. Transitions can make or break the flow of your video, and Filmora helps you apply smooth, consistent transitions quickly. For fast-paced content like reels or vlogs, this makes a big difference. Go to the Transitions section, then select AI Transitions to see amazing AI-powered transitions. Simply drag and drop the transition onto your clip to instantly transform the video. The real power here is how everything works together. Generate clips, enhance quality, fix lighting, and add style, all without slowing down your workflow. You're not replacing editing, you're removing the time-consuming parts. And that's how you edit videos 10 times faster. Edit smarter, create faster and better. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. For more Filmora 15 tutorials and video editing tips, subscribe to our channel and visit filmora.wondershare.com for templates, effects, and resources. See you in the next one!